any loan that you take against your retirement does not affect your credit. The interest rate is normally low, and guess what? Hello, my beautiful people. Nayoka Kelly Campbell, founder and CEO of Fiscal LLC, is here to bring you another exciting financial tip to help you maintain your financial health. Now, do you have a pension or retirement plan? Or let's be more specific. Do you have a 401k plan, and do you really know what this is? Let's dive deeper and get the information that you need. But I couldn't go any further without, you know it's coming, subscribe and hit that bell. You can't afford to miss another financial tip. You just can't. So a 401k plan is a retirement-based investment savings account that is basically offered to you by your employer. If you are not enrolled in a retirement plan, or if you're not aware that your employer offers such a plan, ask them. Inquire within your HR department and keep your fingers crossed and hope that they do offer such a savings plan. So you'd be amazed that there are a lot of employees that have no idea that their companies offer 401k plans or retirement plans. Listen, I have heard of people that have been working for their employers for years and had no idea that they had the option to enroll in their employer's retirement plan. But I really can't blame you. You know what? I blame your employer and their irresponsible HR department. They're basically not doing their job. Get it together, HR, get it together. You know what? Let's just vent for a second. Comment down below and let me know if you have ever experienced this with your past or your present employer. Leave a comment. Let me know what happened and if you have ever enrolled in their plan. That should be interesting. So a 401k plan is basically pre-tax. That means that your premiums or contribution is deducted before any tax is calculated or deducted from your gross pay. And the best part about this is pre-tax contributions basically helps to lower your tax bracket. What do I mean by this? Let me give you an example. Let's say your gross monthly salary is $20,000. With no pre-tax deductions, your entire $20,000 would be taxed, let's say at 25%. However, if you should enroll in a 401k plan or any pre-tax deduction benefit, and let's say your contribution is $2,000, well, only $18,000 would be taxed, and let's say probably a 20% tax rate. Now, that's a lower tax bracket, which I think is pretty awesome. But remember, these are just hypothetical numbers, but it's still pretty awesome. So one thing to keep in mind is that these plans, they do have a limit that you can contribute as an employee. That is basically set by the IRS. Now, for 2020 and 2021, the limit that you can contribute is actually $19,500. However, if you're 50 years of age or older, you are definitely eligible to contribute an additional $6,500 to your plan. Now, don't get confused because this limit that is set by the IRS does not apply to your employer's matching contribution. Yeah, that's good. That's actually great. So if you have no idea what an employer's match contribution is, please check out our last video on how to get free money through your employer's pension plan. Now, did you know that you're able to borrow against your 401k plan up to 50% of the available funds that's in your retirement savings? I know, you might be thinking that this will affect my credit score because you're basically taking out a loan. Now, wait a minute. That is far from the truth. Any loan that you take against your retirement does not affect your credit. The interest rate is normally low, and guess what? Your monthly repayment plan, which basically includes your principal and your interest, it goes directly back to your retirement account. Hello? You're basically paying back yourself all of that interest instead of paying an outside financial institution if you were to take out a loan with them, which would definitely affect your credit score then. Can I just tell you that these tips are priceless, just priceless? Comment down below and let me know if you knew about this loan option and if you would definitely take out a loan against your retirement plan instead of taking out a personal loan with an outside institution, okay? Comment down below. Now, a few things that you should definitely keep in mind. Penalties and interest will take effect if you withdraw money from your plan before the maturity age of 59.5 years. Please, withdrawing the money directly is not to be confused with taking out a loan from your account. Also, when it's time to retire and withdraw from your account, the money will definitely be taxed because remember, this whole time you were contributing these funds as a pre-tax contribution. So you were basically paying no tax on this part of your income that went directly to your retirement plan. Now I know that was a mouthful, wasn't it? But it was also helpful, right? I'm sure it was, and I know you will agree. If you agree and would like to hear more financial gems, go ahead and subscribe. But you must hit that notification bell and click all. Otherwise, you will not be alerted when we upload a new video, and you will be missing out on a lot of financial tips and secrets to basically help you maintain your financial health. Thank you guys for watching.